What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. We have a neat little day planned out for us doing a dent today. Someone I know has a 2009 Lamborghini Gallardo, similar to mine. It's a white one. And he has a little dent on his hood. So he owns Oreo's Detailing in Westchester. It does all detailing and things like that. So we're gonna head over to his place and see what we can do for him. I figure why not put on the Lamborghini hoodie. We'll take the Lamborghini as the work vehicle today. I put the tools in the front and we'll head up there, work on his Lamborghini and make it a Lamborghini dent day. So I figure I'll take you through it here and do a little video on it. Might be a little neat thing to do. So hopefully you enjoy it. And as usual, we'll take you through the process and see how it turns out. All right, we're here with the car here. It's a 2009 Lamborghini Gallardo. And I don't know if you'll be able to see it in here. Once we get the light on, you might be able to see it better, but there's a little dent right around here. So I don't know if you can see that. Little chip out of it, but we'll get the dent out for him. So what we could do is, you can see there's some room. The dent's like actually right about here. And then what we'll do, we'll take this little guy out right there. And we have a little hole that we could go in and touch the dent. And we'll take you through it. We'll heat it up too. It does have a little chip in the paint, but we'll heat it up just so it doesn't crack the paint anymore. So let's get started. All right, the tool I thought would be good is this little double bend here. I actually had this made from Ultra, but I like this tool. So we can get right in this hole here, get to the dent, and then just start working it. That's it, it's gone. All right, as you can see, the dent's out, no problems. Nice little fast, easy one. Usually I say I think the customer will be happy, but we'll ask him. What do you think, Eric?
Dude, that is amazing. That is literally flush with the paint.
Isn't that cool?
What? Dude, thank you so much.
Yeah, yeah. There you go.
That is literally flush with the paint. Wow, dude.
Yeah, cool. So
Thank
there you go.
So much.
No problem. Another one down.